No, alam mo, pag sa enrolled bill, yun yung pinaka-importante dun sa BICAM. Wala namang blanco dun, and all the totals have already been verified, and in fact, nung na-enroll yun, wala namang blanco. Sa tama naman talaga yung sinabi din ni Senator Cheese kahapon, which should really be a reference. In fact, also the President has seen, wala naman kaming mga blanco dun sa na-enroll bill namin. Both, meron technical working group that actually consolidates both the reports of the House and the Senate. When we have completed the BICAM report and we submitted it as an enrolled bill, it was complete. Thank you. It's complete.
Nakita ko mismo kasi napadala na ko ng kopya.
Yeah.
And at least 14 senators ang nakapirma doon sa BICAM report na may mga blanco.
Oh.
So, doon pa lang sa ginawa ng Senate, medyo may problema na kasi blanco. Nagulat nga ako at saka parang nakaka-gimbal na sinabi ng Senado, okay, kasi tinanggal na Senate yun Senate version.
Oo, ayaw nila.
No? 26 billion.
Oo.
And nakita ko si Senate Finance Committee Chairperson, si Grace Po. Ang sabi niya, pumayag na kami ma-restore kasi binigyan kami ng 5 billion.
Oo.
Pumayag na kami ma-restore kasi binigyan kami ng 5 billion.
Oo.